We're on a residential at Coldwell Activity Centre in Burnley. We've done orienteering, we cooked on an open fire, an art project for National Youth Work Week, loads of walking. We've been playing loads of games, sharing what we all know from different organisations and what we do with like our different youth groups. It's been really interesting, to be honest, to like get to know everyone else's experiences. It's been mostly about bonding, and not just with each other but with our tutors as well. Like our tutors are more like our best friends. I'm not currently in a youth work role, so being able to learn from like the degree apprenticeship students who are actually in that role has been really beneficial. We went to the forest school, then we got to learn about some of the stuff that they provide to young people out there as well, so like bushcraft, fire making your own swings in the trees. It were really interesting. I've learned a lot about outdoor activities. Some young people, they don't really get a chance to go out into nature much. There's a lot of stuff in nature that I can use. You know, a big part of youth work is taking young people out of their comfort zones and bringing them out to the spaces that they don't really have a lot of experience in, so they can build on that experience and like learn to enjoy a different scene to what they're used to.